Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Wednesday, November 27th. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile, the ES and NQ. So yesterday, ES again failed to get their all-time high, missed it by a little over a point. Look at the overnight. They traded above it, but didn't even get to the overnight all-time high. And now, again, there's 75, 80 minutes to go prior to the open. So a lot can happen. But this is going to be our line in the sand for this morning. L's high, which is the price base of the price probe, price spike. Okay? If we open below it, good chance you're going to have at least unchanged value. And then you have to worry about yesterday's low to put the daily in balance. We get acceptance above it, then the odds get much, much better for them to get the overnight high and maybe finally get the weekly back going to the upside. Remember, it's an inside week in the ES. NQ had an inside day yesterday. Look what they've done the whole overnight. They traded basically the entire range from yesterday. Just missed the day's high, right at the day's low. If you take out the day's low in either one of these, the dailies would come back to balance. So that's something the bulls certainly would want to defend. Righty came into balance yesterday. Held their gap, though, from the other day. And now, again, possibly looking to gap higher. So we'll see if that's going to hold. You have PCE out of 10, which would probably send these algos into a tizzy. Keep that in mind. So again, for an early game plan, L's high is going to be our line in the sand in ES. Bears want to defend it. Since they're below it right now, bulls want to get above it. And then on the downside, bulls certainly want to defend yesterday's low to keep the daily up. If you take that out, I'd be shocked if we don't go get the wide overnight pop from yesterday. And the same would hold with NQ. They're right below. In NQ's case, now they were 12 wide. That's it. They took out the afternoon rally high in M. So again, the way it was very rotational yesterday, I would expect some major league chop inside of yesterday's range until we at least decide if we want to get one of the overnight highs or lows. Chart-wise, here's the daily, right? ES still up, horrible volume, but the grind continues to the upside. Again, I'd be quite surprised if this market had any kind of severe pullback before the end of the year. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.